Well, good morning everybody. It is the second day here in Sydney and I have just checked out of my hotel. Now here's a pro tip. If you come into Sydney, make sure you check into this hotel. Now I'm not getting paid by the Shangri-La, but seriously, it is a seriously nice hotel. So today I'm trying to show you a few things here in Sydney. I'm planning on going to Manly, so we got to catch the ferry. In fact, I think we're going to do that first because our plane goes at 6 o'clock, so I've got about 5 hours. So 5 hours, that's enough time. So guys, the Shangri-La Hotel is in a part of Sydney called The Rocks. It's an old part of Sydney, beautiful, with lots of old pubs and clubs and restaurants and little shops, maritime shops. And you can actually see, if you have a look behind me, you can see the harbour bridge in the background. Beautiful part of town. So where are we now? Well, if we turn around, behind me is the harbour bridge, and then on the other side of the bay is the Opera House, which you can see behind me, I think. And then we've got Circular Quay here on this side. This is where all the ferries dock, and that's where we go on to catch our ferry to Manly. Alright, just getting onto the ferry now. It's a lot of people, so maybe we'll find a spot right at the top outside. See how high we can go. There's another set of stairs here. Crew only, so can't go that way. Let's see if we can find an outside spot. Alright guys, we found a place outside, so we're about to leave. In fact, we have left. Now, if you live in Sydney and you have money, that is where you live. Has one large entrance which is behind me. It's called Sydney Heads, and this is the only way in and out of Sydney Harbour. So it's that big opening behind us now. Alright guys, welcome to Manly. We've made it. So here in Manly there's one major shopping strip which we're going to go through now, and then we're going to head straight to the beach. So guys, if you ever come to Manly, it's pretty easy to get around. So behind me is Manly Wharf, that white building over there, can you see that? That's the wharf, that's where we just arrived from. And then behind me here, we have the shopping mall. And at the end of this mall is the beach, so it's really easy to get around. Okay, so like I said, you've got the shopping mall behind me. That's the other end. And in front of me, that way, behind you, is absolute bliss. Have a look at that beach. So when you watch videos on YouTube, there's millions of videos available on about Sydney Harbour Bridge, and everybody keeps recording images of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. But have you ever seen the Sydney Harbour Bridge up close? And when I say up close, you know, here, that's where it is. We're right under it. And one great shot, I've been here before, and one great shot is right at the water's edge, so which is over there. That's where we're gonna go. All right, like I promised, this is actually my favorite part of Sydney. I'm right under the Sydney Harbour Bridge. If we can, I want to zoom up here. There it is. We're basically right under it. From here, you've got a fantastic view of, obviously, the Sydney Harbour Bridge. But if we zoom around, yeah, there's the bay, and there's the Opera House. So it's all very close. And then if we zoom further around here, round the corner here, we'll get back to Circular Quay. So yeah, I absolutely love the structure of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. It is absolutely massive. I mean, it looks big on photos and videos, but in real life, unbelievable big. Guys, have a look at these bolts. Look at the size of these bolts compared to my hand. They're absolutely massive. And all these bolts, well, I guess they hold together the foundation of the bridge. So, I think this is a fantastic location to say goodbye from Sydney. I hope you liked it. I hope you're going to join me again on some more videos in the future. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, go to my Instagram account, go to my Facebook account, and yeah, I hope you subscribe to everything and hit the like button. Oh, and also, if you have not been to my new shop yet, make sure you follow the link. It's on my Facebook page. The link's also on my Instagram account and Facebook account. Have a look around at my shop. There's some t-shirts, mugs, and everything you can think of. And if you like my t-shirts or my mugs or whatever you can find in my shop, yeah, hopefully I'll see some photos of you wearing my t-shirts with my Bunsy's World logo on it sometime in the future around the world. Let's see how many photos we can get on my Instagram account or Facebook account with all of you wearing my t-shirts. Let's see how many countries we can collect. Anyway, for now, it's goodbye from Sydney.